In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to build a website for your business step by step. Now, this is something that you're interested in. Stick and stay until the end of this video. Drop the intro. Let's go.
He gonna teach you how to create something great, then sell it online. Every step that you take is good for your grind. So stick with him and I swear you'll go far. I'ma say it one more time, link with kickstart.
Alright guys, so welcome back. If it is that you're new to this channel right here, my name is kickstart. I'm a full-time e-commerce entrepreneur specialized in selling digital products. And today I want to show you guys how to actually build out your website. Because of course, if it is that you want to sell digital products online, you're going to need a website. If it is that you're selling physical products online, you're going to need a website as well. Or if it is that you want to sell your services. So how do you do this? No gatekeeping. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this on SalesCrafter. Now, with that said, let's jump on over to the screen. Let's go. Alright guys, so now we're inside of SalesCrafter. Now we're going to select a website template because obviously we're looking to create a website. It will only make sense that we select a website template, right? Now we can choose any of these templates that we want to work with, or if it is that you're looking to sell something online. I think most people actually going to want their website to sell something. So I'm just going to select a random template. In the meantime, between time, let's select this one right here. We're going to call it test. And now once we select that, then we're going to be inside of the builder, which will help us to actually create this website pretty easily, right? Now, right here, as you can see, we have a banner, we have different columns and different blocks. These sections right here are called blocks. So now we want to actually get our website copy. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a prompt in ChatGPT to write the copy. So I'm going to pull up my prompt real quick. So what I'm going to do is fill in the blank right here. For this example, I'm just going to create a very simple store. I'm going to call this Profit Hub. So Profit Hub, my website for, so I'm going to call this design a website for my business that's called Profit Hub, where we provide digital products that help people to make money online and provide side income ideas. All right, so that's what this website is going to be. We're going to sell digital product that provides side income ideas. This is just for example purposes, guys. Right now, paste right here. Right, so we're going to let ChatGPT do its thing, and then we're going to use the results that we get after that. All right, so far we have the home page layout. We have the bold headline, the subheading, the compelling bullets. We also have the key features, the social proof element, scarcity element, lead generation form, and all these good stuff. So let's start by actually getting these things added to our website. All right, so let's go. So now we're here. I don't really want this section, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove this, and then I'm going to put my own section there. So just drag and drop. A cool thing that you can do as well that I'm going to do for this is I'm actually going to go to Canva and choose or create a banner for the website. So I'm just going to customize this, because when I went on Canva, I actually saw this banner. I was like, cool, let's call this a side hustle thing, right? Best side hustles. So we're going to call this Welcome to Profit Hub. All right, so this is called Profit Hub. All right, now let's just download this photo. I'm going to download this in PNG real quick, and then we're going to actually upload this on SalesCrafter. Let's go. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag a image right here, and then I'm going to upload that image. There we go. All right, so let's select our website banner. Make this full width, and up here. All right. All right, right, cool. Now I'm gonna change the color of this website because I noticed it has yellow, so I'm just gonna edit the styling, change the color palette, and give it a little brownish look. Yeah. All right, so let's see if, yeah, we got the brownish look right there, and now we can change the text colors to white. All right, there we go. Let's preview to see how it's looking so far. Welcome to Profit Hub, ideas for creative people. All right, coolio. Now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add another column because that's really all that we're doing, right? Adding columns. Now, this column, I'm gonna add a button. Maybe this button can be like a shop now. Shop all our products, something like that. And then I'm gonna put this over to the left. Now here's a cool thing that I'm going to do with this. I'm going to let it blend with the actual image, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select column, pull this over so you guys can see what I'm doing. Notice where it says margin, I'm going to drag this. So now it's actually on the image. Woo! So cool. All right. Now, once that is done, all right, let's see, bring this down a tad bit. All right, once it is done, I think that this needs to stand out a little bit, so I'm going to click on the button, and then I'm going to click on the border. I'm going to change the border color to white, right, so that it pops. Now when I change it to white, I have to make the border size stand out. You see what happens right there? Cool, huh? Now I want to ensure that when people click on this button, it takes them to our store. So I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to click edit link, and then I'm going to click on store, and then I'm going to let this stay as all, right? And then select. So let's preview that once more. So there we go. When someone clicks right here, they go to our products, right? Obviously we haven't uploaded our products as yet. So there we go. We have a nice clean website thingy right there. All right. So I think I want the entire background to be like this brownish color. So I'm going to change the entire website background to something a little bit light brown. So I'm going to go right here, then I'm going to click on page styling, and then click on website color. Actually, I'm just going to keep that brown. Yeah, brown and white, right? Yeah, I was going to keep that like that. So now we have that set. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to work with what ChatGPT provides. So it gave us a headline that we didn't use, by the way, that was supposed to be placed on Canva. So we can put that down below. So, right, so I'm going to work with this right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add blocks. So when I click here, I get to add different heroes, right? So for example, right here, I would just click right here, and then I would have a hero. Now when I have this hero section right here, I can just place the headline that I have right here. I just paste the headline. Now I have unlock proven digital products and income ideas to make money online fast, right? Then I get my subheading, and by the way, this is all up to your creativity because you can just add any amount of blocks that you wish, right? There we go. It's just all about your creativity. Now for example, if it is that I want to get this to look just like the button I have up above, right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm going to say shop all our products, and if you guys remember what we did before, we click on the styling of the button, and then we change the border color to white, and then we actually bring up the border of it, right? So we have the looking white. Pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty clean, pretty decent. Now obviously if I want this to have more space, less space, I just drag and drop, put it up there, and yeah, that's not looking bad at all. So I like to preview as I go. I'm just gonna put something right here that calls out my target audience, maybe something like, hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs, right? So obviously we're gonna have to fix the typo right here, or we can have a brown background. This probably looks cool, and then we change the text to white. There we go. Cool. So we're making it look blended, looking nice. Now understand that when you're creating a website, you want to have like two colors only, and you use like two shades, right? So right now we're only using like brown, and we can add another color. However, I'm using black and white, so I'm just going to work with that. So brown, black and white, that's going to be the consistent theme throughout this website, right? So I'm going to click save right here, and we can preview what it looks like so far. Welcome to Profit Hub, Side Hustle, whatever it is. Obviously I didn't put much effort in the idea right there. And then we like unlock proven digital products and income ideas to make money online fast. Start building your side hustle. Shop all our products. So there we go. And if you look on mobile view so far, obviously we haven't optimized for mobile view just yet, but it's still not looking bad even though we haven't optimized it, right? So that's good so far. We can change the name of our business right here. So we just put something like Profit Hub. All right, and the background we can make this brown. Coolio. All right, so not looking bad so far. Now what else ChatGPT got for us? It says compelling bullets, so I'm just going to work with this right here. Step-by-step guides, and then I'm going to put another hero block rather, and then go to hero and see if we see anything that provides like a bullet point. All right, so I'm going to work with this section right here. This looks cool. Give it some space. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add an image right here. Click on edit image. I can upload an image of my own, but for now I'm just going to work with, let's say, hustle. Just going to work with a random image that we have right here. Obviously I could upload my own image, but for the sake of this video moving fast, I'm just going to work with something that's already there on the website that I can leverage. All right, cool. Now this section right here, obviously you're going to make the text white so that it pops on the brown. White, and then white. All right, so what's the first thing that we have right here? Step-by-step guides, so we can place that right there. Now if I edit the icon, now if I choose to edit the styling, I can choose to remove the icon description for this, so it only has that right there. And then the same thing I can do with this section as well. Copy, paste, then I remove the description. Cool. Change this to white, highlight, and then change the color to white. And then I do the same thing again. I'm just going to change the color beforehand, and then styling, and then I remove the description and I paste the next bullet point there. All right, I think I'm gonna add a headline for this section. Call this what we provide or what we offer or something like that. And then put this in the center, which is not centering. All right, so let's put this to the left, and yeah. All right, so there we go so far for that section of the website. And now we can go to the next section where it says hero image, show quality visual of digital products on laptop screen, call to action, start earning now. All right, so we're gonna add a button there for that. By the way, if you want to copy the button easily, you can click right here, click copy, and it will be right here. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So I can click here, and then I can drag and drop that button, right? So now what I can do is I can click edit, and then I just paste my text right here. So the call to action is different. Obviously I want to ensure that they go to my store. Put this over to the left. Better yet, let me keep it to center. All right, cool. All right, that's not bad at all. All right, there we go. Give this an underline. Now, after that is done, we can put the key feature section. So I'm just gonna add another block. So add block, and I'm just gonna work with something that showcases that. So for example, this. I'm gonna remove that weird looking dude from the background. And then I'm gonna put something along the line of maybe digital products. Someone working on a laptop or computer, I think that works fine, but we're just gonna dim it down a little bit so that that's not the main focus of the website. All right, cool. So cover entire area, and then we can dim it. All right, give it black, and yeah, you see it right there. All right, cool. All right, so we maintain that black and white theme, black and brown, sorry. All right, so cool. So now we can add this section right here, digital product guides. We can put this right here. And then we can put money making strategies. We can put that right here. Obviously, we're gonna have to change the icons so that it represents it. Step-by-step templates. We can put that right here. And then passive income tools. We can also put this right here. Money making ideas. All right, cool. So let's start with money making ideas. Once you think about idea, you think about a light bulb, right? So what I did was I click right here, click on settings, then I'm going to click on the icon and try to find something that represents that. So I'm going to put bulb. There we go. So money making ideas, passive income tools. I'm going to put money and see if that works. So we get money, and then step-by-step template. Oh, that's perfect. Like, you know, the document template. And then money making strategies. What can we use to represent strategy? Growth. Yeah, let's does this look like it's strategic? Let's work with that. Give me a money vibe, give me something strategic. I don't know how to display that, but yeah, digital product guides. So I'm gonna put PDF. All right, and there we go. You see, guys, what we have right there? Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Yeah, if you ask me, that's not bad at all. Let's make this area. I don't like the brown section that's there. Yeah, so let's keep that just like that and pull this over. All right, cool. I think that's better. Pretty sure you guys watching can all agree. Now, what do we put right here? Right? What do we put right here? Or do we keep it? Do we remove it? Let's see what we have. We can get a little bit creative. We can also tell ChatGPT to give us something for that section. All right, so give me a headline and subheading for, and then it will give us exactly what to put there if it is that we don't want to use our brain that God provided us with. All right, so let's work with this. Discover the tools you need to build a side income fast, and then we put that right here. Discover the tools you need to build a side income fast, and then we work with the copy this right here. If you notice, the subheading is actually above, which we want it below, so we're gonna put it below. Drag and drop, simple, easy peasy. And then I don't need this section, so I'm just gonna remove this. All I do is click and delete. All right, so that's cool. Now we have a button. We can remove that as well and add our button that we copy and paste, and then put it to the left. All right, then we're building this up a bit, and it's looking good. Wow, look at that, guys. Our website is coming on so nicely, man. It's like, yeah, so cool. All right, what's next? So now we need to add social proof. All right, social proof. Obviously, this is a test example, so I'm just going to add a random testimonial section. So right here, testimonial, I'm just gonna put this right here. So I don't actually have testimonial for this, so we're just gonna put testimonial right here and just imagine that right there is a testimonial, right? And then what else ChatGPT wants from us? It also wants case study. All right, we put that testimonial. Then limited time offer. All right, so add a countdown time on the home page offering a discount for new early customers first purchase. Offer ends in 3 days. All right, 50% off your first purchase. All right, cool. I'm done with that. I'm done with that. I'm done with that. So we're gonna put a hero again. We're gonna add a different block, and then we see if we can find something that we can use to give them like a 3-day offer for new customers. That's what it prompted us to do, so we can put that there. Now, which can I use? I can use this looks cool, right? This looks really cool. And then we can change the background to something like sale or 50% and see what we get from that, even though I don't think that's the best option. Let's see. All right, let's put, no, that's too bright. All right, let's put sale. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. The same concept that I did before, where I put an image there, but I dim it so that it doesn't become the main feature. So for example, right here, where you see opacity, right? You can just drag, make it light. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not the main focus. So now I can just put the headline right here, 50% off your first purchase. And I remove this headline, and then 3-day timer. So now I go down to others, countdown, drag and drop. Now, once I have that countdown right there, right, I can choose the countdown date. Maybe let's choose the countdown time. No, let's choose a date actually. So 3 days from now, what day is today? Today is a 13. So 1, 2, 3, for example, right? Yeah. And now I'm going to change the background of this to brown. So I'm going to click right here. Anytime I want to change color and stuff like that, click on styling. And in the background, I'm going to make it brown. And then I also want to add the labels, which shows the days, and make that label white. So you see days, hours, minutes, seconds. All right. Now, if I want to make this bigger, obviously I can make this bigger like that. All right. So that you can't miss it. And now I need like an opt-in box. Right. So it says 50% off, display trust badge, payment badge, secure payment, So what I would need is a opt-in box, something like a form right here. Now, what I'm going to do with this form, guys, when people enter their email, I could give them that coupon code, right? So I'm going to remove name, remove subject, remove message, and only keep email. And yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna just change the styling of this styling, and then the button is gonna be brown. We're gonna make the button border be white, and then we're gonna change the button border size. All right, see what we did there? All right, so we expand that, and now they can submit. All right, remove this section. I don't think we need that, and I also don't think we need this, but we can pull this up a bit. So now what we need to do is ensure that the call to action is clear. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit fields and be like, enter your email to claim your 50% off coupon. Something like that, right? And then I'm going to also add a prefix icon. You're going to see what that means. So I'm gonna put like envelope, which represents like mail. So on, and then I put right here Coolio, and now I have their email contact. Also, we need to add a different color, change the color for that so it's clear color, and then we're gonna add label color, and we're gonna change this to white, right? Yeah, and then we're gonna change this to whatever that we were using, make it bigger. All right, So now there we go. See what's happening now? So 50% off your first purchase, ends in 3 days. And yeah. So it's coming on quite nicely if you ask me. Next section that we need to add is a lead generation opt-in form, but I think we just added that. The scarcity, we added the opt-in form. But I guess that it's opt-in form, so it said that we can give them like a freebie, a download free guide for building your first income online stream, something like that. Okay, cool. I mean, let's see how it fits. Oh, by the way, we still have these furnitures. Let's get rid of them, please. So we're gonna delete right here. Don't think we need any of this. Don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need that either. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's add an opt-in box right here as they suggested, and then I'm gonna add something in between because I don't think it would look nice to have two opt-in one after the other. So let's go right here. Call to action. So we're gonna add this as our lead magnet. And then we're gonna put the headline: download our free guide to building your first digital product income. Not buy now, more like download now. All right, and then add an icon, and I'll probably put a PDF so that they know it's a PDF. Yeah, right there. And then yeah, remove this. Learn how to build a profitable online business, no investment. All right, cool. Not bad. So this gives them a coupon code. By the way, if it is that we want to just give them an easy access to the coupon code, what we would do is show them a thank you message, and a thank you message be like, thank you, here is your coupon, right? And then we're gonna say something like save 50. All right, cool. So now they get a coupon code whenever they opt in for that. And I mean, it's actually not that bad when we give them the free guide down here. It's fine. And yeah, so right now we just probably need to add a footer, and we're good, which we have the footer right here. And we just need to make this maybe a little bit darker, and the text to be in white. Bring this up a bit. Shop now text to be in white, just the same. Text color in white. Oopsie daisy. Button color brown. Text color to be in white. This is where we change the text color. All right, so cool. Let's not stress over that so far. Now let's take a look. We can click right here and go to our actual website to see what it looks like. Obviously we need to change up here, but it's not looking bad. Welcome to Profit Hub, and then we give them It's just a simple website, right? Which is getting the job done. Download our free guide. So very easy way to create like a website. Now if someone goes to shop all our products, right, obviously we didn't add the products right here, right? But once we upload our products, then people can just go there, shop any product that we choose. Now I'm just gonna upload a few products to see how exactly that works. So let's go to products. All right, so first product, I'm just gonna edit one of the existing ones. I'm gonna remove these images and upload an image of mine. I'd created some images on Canva, so I'm just gonna drag and drop them over here. All right, so I'm gonna select this one called Forex Guide for Boss Babes. Forex Guide for Boss Babes, and I'm gonna price this for $27. This is gonna be a digital product. I have to upload a product. In the meantime, I'm just gonna use this as a product, and yeah, I'm just gonna create a description from the title, and then I'm gonna save and go back, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for this one right here, remove these images, replace with the one that I've uploaded. And this one is called how to earn from digital business. Interesting. How to earn from digital business. Right? Do the same thing and then change the product to digital. Upload the digital product. In this case, we're going to use this. Obviously, if it is that we have the digital product, we have to upload a PDF file, etc., etc., so that when someone purchases, they get access to the product. Right? And let's remove this, and let's say $17, and then we save the changes. All right. Then we go back and we do the same thing. Remove all these images. Obviously, if we want to give them like a preview, we could upload multiple images so that they can swipe left and get more information about the product. Let's call this one Nice Side Hustle Baby. Yeah, let's see what you got for that, sales crafter. And now we're gonna go ahead and add this one for $28. Well, $8 because the name is whack. And then we're gonna change this digital product, and then we're gonna upload the product, and then we're gonna ensure that this is the product, and then boom chakalaka, we're gonna save this, and then we live a happily ever after life. Interesting, right? Now, what we can do is we go back to our store, and obviously, if it is that we click shop now, we see the products, right? Obviously, from mobile view, and we click shop all our products, we can see our product, right? We see people can shop Nice Side Hustle, people can go for this, people can go for that, and obviously, if we're running advertisement, we send people to our shop or product page, right? And yeah, people have access to our website. Pretty cool, pretty easy to navigate. It's pretty cool. Obviously, we didn't optimize it for mobile view. Let me just show you guys an example of how to actually optimize for mobile view. So if you go to mobile view, right? So for example, this section, you click copy widget, and this right here, you remove it from mobile. Now you go right here and you drag and drop. Oopsie daisy, drag and drop, right? Now when you drag and drop, you have the flexibility to actually, do whatever you wish to do with this. All right. So there we go. A nice little thingy right there. And then we can put this in the center if we wish, right? So that it looks better on mobile view. And then, for example, this section that looks whack as well, you can just copy, remove, and then you drag and drop, right? So for example, what I would do is I would actually click right here, ensure that the icon is not, it's probably the icon is white. And then I click right here, ensure the icon is white. And then I do the same thing, ensure the icon is white, right? What we offer, and then maybe we can put this to left. What we offer, and then you see all these things, right? There's another section that looked weird. This, for example. So, for example, we copy this, remove it, and then we drag and drop to ensure that it's designed for mobile view. Now, if you notice, this looks pretty awful. So what we can do is we can actually drag this right here and pull this over, get rid of this. And then we maximize this. If it's not, we can just click on stretch. And then we can drag, right? Then align, remove, turn the size a little bit down, bring the size a bit down, and then we bring it in a little bit. And you can see it looks different on the mobile view now, right? So download our digital guide, download now, and that's how you basically do it, right? You can just change it all around when you're working with the mobile view. Just copy and paste, like that's it, right? So now if you preview that, looks a bit different on mobile view, right? So welcome to unlock and then we have all our cool stuff. Now we have this section. Whoops, we need to fix that, and then we have shop all our products. You know that they get digital guides, and now understand that when you're advertising or promoting your store, most times, as you can see right here, you notice the guide, it looks way better on mobile view, but most people won't go on your homepage, especially when you're running paid advertisement, right? So most people are actually, they're going to end up, by the way, let's test something, right? At gmail.com, and then we submit. It says thank you, here's your coupon code. Now they can copy this coupon code and use it when they go to our store. Right, go to our store, add a product to cart, they go to checkout, and they proceed to checkout. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, they can enter their promo code. Obviously we didn't add the coupon code section, so it says invalid promo code. That's fine, right? But that is how you can actually build a website in under 1 hour, right? Obviously, if it is that you are building this for your business, you will take more time and pride into how you actually structure things, the color coordination, the words that actually go on your website, and all of these things you might put into consideration, and take more time to create something that's way better, right? Something that looks very professional for the market. But essentially, these are the steps that you would naturally take to actually build like a website using SalesCraft. As you can see, you can get it done pretty fast. There you go, guys. That is how easy it is to actually build your website. Now, if it is that you guys want to go deeper into this topic, maybe you want to build membership sites, you want to build your own course, or you want to build a e-commerce store, etc., etc. Down below in the description, you guys can access a free step-by-step course courtesy of SalesCrafter. So feel free to check that out down below, and see you guys next week.